Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Aries sa March 29, 2025, 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So, it's a new beginning, setting of new intentions, new goals, taking action, pero with precaution. Kasi sa ngayon, naka-retrograde pa si Mercury tsaka si Venus. So, maaring meron pa ritong confusion, parang hindi pa ganun kaklaro, no? Yung situation. So, take precautionary measures. Okay? So, for you, Sagittarius, itong new moon is happening in your 5th house of your passion, which is yung creativity mo. This can be your dating people or dating situations. Can also be your kids because that's part of the creation. Ayan. So, yung iba, pwedeng may new baby. There's a new baby coming in. Lalo na if you are sexually active. Ayan. Mars is in your 8th house of intimacy. Ayan. So, if you have a partner or may partner ka, maaring magkaroon ng opportunity rito for pregnancy. So, it's either ikaw or yung partner mo. Just take what resonates kung saan ka dyan. Because Aries, ang ruler ng Aries ay si Mars na nasa 8th house mo. Which is somehow, kasi hindi ganun ka komportable si Mars sa sign ng Cancer. So, for some of you, pwede tong unexpected, no? Yung tipong may pagka-careless. Oo. So, let's say, for example, gumagamit ka ng contraception para hindi mabuntis, 'di ba? Or umiiwas ka pero nakalimutan mo or alam mo 'yon. So, kaya you have to be more careful. Huwag masyado magpabugso-bugso sa damdamin. Kasi pwedeng bugso ng damdamin. But of course, kung plano mo na, okay yung situation mo ng partner mo, then, it's a blessing for you. You also have Venus in Pisces in your 4th house. Kasi since Venus is naka-retrograde ngayon, maaring if meron kayong kailangang paggagastusan sa bahay, pwedeng medyo nagkakaroon ng challenges or may kakulangan sa funds. Oo, para sa iba sa inyo. Or let's say, may nagpapa-renovate sa inyo. Pwedeng gano'n na medyo ma-stress kayo dahil parang kinukulang sa pondo. Kumbaga, planuhin nyo talaga. Okay? So, meron ditong positive aspect ang Pluto at ang Jupiter sa 5th house ninyo. Dito sa energy ng Sun tsaka ng Moon. This is about transformation. So, maaring may magta-transform, may magbabago pagdating sa inyong creative talents or skill set. Maaring meron kang ipupursue na mga creative projects or pwedeng can be collaboration din to, no? Pwedeng collaboration with your partner, someone na very close na sa'yo. Jupiter is in Gemini in your 7th house. Maaring merong tutulong sa'yo, no? Can be your romantic partner or someone who is close to you para matupad mo yung mga goals mo. Let's see what else for Sag. Diba? Para matupad yung goals, you have the star. The star is about your hopes, your dreams. Grabe. Sagittarius, the death card is about transformation. That makes sense with Pluto here, which is the planet of transformation. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong kapitbahay. Oo. Tapos tong kapitbahay nyo na to, meron siyang opportunity na dalhin sa buhay mo. Like, for example, i-refer ka niya sa kakilala niya. Basta may opportunity na mag-o-open sa'yo. Or pwede rin kaibigan to. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging kapitbahay. Or kapatid. Okay? Have judgment. So, this is rebirth. I think you are reinventing yourself. Nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo kasi nare-realize mo na meron kang mga bagay na mas dine-deserve mo. Kasi pwedeng what they are offering you right now is hindi mo gusto, or kung ano man yung situation mo ngayon, let's say sa trabaho, hindi mo gusto yung type of work na meron ka. So, parang naisip mo na, hindi ko din deserve to, you deserve even better. So, I think, ngayon, nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo. Ano pa yung pwedeng opportunities that you can tap into? Ano yung mga iba mo pang kakayanan, abilidad na pwede mong subukan, 'di ba? Para yun yung i-pursue mo sa buhay. And with the moon here, this is about your, pwedeng may mga fears ka, may mga doubts ka sa sarili mo. But, this is also a reminder for you na to tap into your instinct, your intuition, na ano ba yung sinasabi ng instinct mo na dapat mong gawin. Kasi definitely, no, meron talagang major change for you. You are releasing something, ending a situation, and starting something new. Okay? Let's see what else. Sagittarius. A time to give rather than take. So, mas magiging generous ka ngayon. Generous of your resources, time, money. 'Di ba? Di lang naman material na bagay ang pwede nating ibigay. Oras, atensyon, panahon. Take time to breathe out. Ayan. So, if some of you may experience anxiety or parang may frustration ka sa mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari, no? According sa mga plano mo. Hindi ka rin kasi makakatulong yung i-overthink mo siya. So, mas maganda na if you are feeling the pressure or the frustration, maganda yung maglakad-lakad, lalabas ka, talk to someone, or you just have to yung take a walk, munta ka sa park, 'di ba? Conclusions are within reach. So, whatever situation that you have right now, malapit na tong maayos, malapit nang matapos. Kasi you are about to enter a new chapter sa buhay mo. And you are good enough. So, this is a reminder para sa'yo na hindi mo kailangang mag-doubt pa sa sarili mong kakayanan. Kasi mas kilala mo yung sarili mo eh. 'Di ba? The moment na mag-doubt ka sa sarili mo, doon na parang hihina yung lakas ng loob mo. Na parang, baka hindi ko kaya yan, kaya hindi nangyayari to kasi I'm not good enough. You are good enough. And I think this is the affirmation na kailangan mong sabihin sa sarili mo every day, that you are good enough. Sabihin mo, I am good enough. I am good enough. 'Di ba? Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.